Hey, what's up guys? So I just wanted to update you guys on the channel, the main Boosted Motorsports channel, on what's been going on lately. So I've been super busy, and it's been busy with car stuff too. So I have had to get the S2000 bodywork all sorted out. And if you guys haven't seen those videos, I'll link it down below. So head over to the second Boosted Motorsports channel. I have a ton of videos of me doing the bodywork on the S2000 in order for it to get prepped to get wrapped at True Auto Creations. So we ended up getting that all done. Now I haven't done the reveal yet. It's sitting right here, completely done, wrapped. It looks insane, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell by the look on my face, but I'm not gonna reveal it just yet in today's video. But make sure you guys go check out the videos on me repairing it. We had a ton of bodywork to do on this thing. It came out amazing, but I really had to dig deep and get it done. And also just, there was a ton of repair that had to be done to get it to the quality that I wanted to have it repaired at. And I knew once it came together, as ugly as it looked, that it would look incredible, and it actually does look really, really good, you guys. So I can't wait to show you guys and share that with you. As far as other things going on, I'm waiting to find out what's going on with the camshaft for the Dakota. We also are going to be starting Jason's truck, so we're going to be putting his truck back together as well. And then we're getting pretty close, you guys. I've been looking, so it looks like a few thousand subscribers away, and we can finally announce the build on the Viper and get that underway. So a lot of stuff on the go. And also I want to show you guys this thing too. So not that exciting, but if you guys remember on the Dakota video that I showed you guys, I had a squeak and a rattle in the back of the truck to the point where it's driving me mental at this point because the tailgate is bouncing around. It's missing the bushing. So I ordered a bushing from Dorman. The bushings for the Dakota from Mopar on the tailgate are actually discontinued. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this right now with you guys, see how it fits. And I still have a bit of running around to do, but I can't show you the car just yet because I want to make a cool video for you guys revealing that. I think you guys are gonna be pretty impressed with the way this thing looks. We ended up debadging it, which I showed you guys on the repair process. And I don't even know what it looks like, but it doesn't really look like, it does look like an S2000, but it looks like, to the average car person or somebody who doesn't know about cars, they're probably gonna be wondering what the heck it is because it looks insane right now. So anyways, let's go outside to the Dakota and let's try that bushing and see what's up, and we'll talk a little bit more. All right, so here's the Dakota, and I've been driving it quite a bit, you guys. It's been working really good, kind of just putting it through its paces, and I want to go get an alignment hopefully maybe this week, but it might happen next week. The plan is to get an alignment at Rockstar Garage with this, so finally the front end can get straightened out. And at the same time, I also want to put the wheels for the Viper in the back with the new tires and get that done. So it's kind of the game plan there. But yeah, I've been enjoying the fact that this thing just works. So I'll show you guys this. So the back of my tailgate has been kind of rubbing here. Not like my paint's perfect anyways, but I don't know if I can illustrate that for you guys. Look how loose the tailgate is. So that's what happens when you don't have the bushing in there. You can probably see it. So because the suspension is so stiff and lowered, whenever I hit a bump, the tailgate's literally bouncing like that. So let's go ahead and we'll open this. And this is where I'm missing the bushing right now, so see. So I got this, and I'll link this in the description below for you guys. Dorman tailgate bushing. Hopefully it works. And it's just this little thing that slides over the peg or post. So let me go ahead and set this camera down. We'll take the tailgate off and put this on. Alright, so here's the bushing, you guys. Let's see. Moment of truth. Ooh, it fits snug. Fits good. It's really good, actually. Okay, so bushing's on. That should be it. So you can see I have one, the original Mopar one, but see how loose it is? So when I went to the track last and I took the tailgate off, this thing fell off, I guess. I might have to order one more. Well, I guess as long as you know what's up, but this one's kind of sloppy, see? Whereas this one is a nice snug fit. So let's go ahead and put the tailgate back on. Okay guys, so that worked beautifully. It brought the tailgate up, and now I can't lift the tailgate up and down like I could before. The only thing I can probably comment is, we're kind of splitting hairs. It is a truck. I'm not trying to make it dead silent. But if we did want to clean this up and make it a little bit better, on the back of the latch, see that rubber
Mine is just dry rotted completely out at this point, and that kind of holds tension against the latch. So see that there? That lines up to that, and that would essentially keep pressure on the latch so that it wouldn't be bouncing around. So if we wanted to, we could see if we can get that little rubber piece, or maybe just kind of do our own thing and put a piece of rubber in there on both sides, and that would just make it a little more firm and closing it and keeping it closed. But overall, I'll link this in the description below. It's super cheap, you guys, but that definitely fixed it. I might get one more for the other side since the other one looks pretty pounded out, but this is definitely gonna fix 90% of my issue, so we're good. Okay, so I will keep you guys updated on how that goes with the tailgate bushing. I know it's not the most exciting thing, but trust me, it was making me go crazy. The whole truck is quiet, but then the tailgate was just smashing around every bump you would hit. So I hope that works out. I don't know if that's a common issue or if you guys might experience that issue, but yeah, hopefully it's fixed, but I'll keep you guys posted. I might change those little rubber things and see if I can clean that up a little bit. As far as this goes, I still have some lighting mods I want to do with this for you guys. Not a whole lot going on with this as far as like build, since we're gonna try to preserve the truck in the sense of, you know, not molesting it or doing anything crazy with it. So I'm not gonna like cut it up or do any huge crazy mods that are irreversible like we are kind of with the Dakota. Just so you guys know, the Dakota's, you know, high mileage, not a clean title vehicle, so that's why I don't mind messing with it as much as we are as far as customizing it like crazy. So I'm gonna probably get the cam in there first, and then we'll probably throw some boost at it is gonna be the next stage. So kind of gonna do things in phases. I'm trying to do a bit of housekeeping as far as how many vehicles I have right now as well. So we'll keep you guys updated and posted on that as well. So lots of stuff going on though, you guys. So I also want to throw on the throttle body probably on the Dakota. And like I said, Jason's Dakota is going to be on here. I'm going to reveal the S2000. I think, as if all goes as planned, we're supposed to be hitting a track day with the S2000 next Friday. It hasn't got canceled yet, so keep your fingers crossed on that one, and hopefully we'll be able to make it out to the track. So that'll be fun to get out of the house and do all that stuff as well. I still have to change the tires on the Viper, so I have the new tires that are gonna go on. And like I said, we'll get the alignment done on the Dakota at the same time. And then I also want to refresh the exhaust on the Dakota since it's leaking and get that thing sounding good. So ton of stuff, but I feel like a big weight is off my shoulders now that the S2000 bodywork and stuff is done. Again, I know you guys haven't seen it, but huge shout out to those guys out at True Auto Creations for getting it done, and they finished it really quick and it looks amazing. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. Make sure you give this a thumbs up. Check out our other channel. If you guys feel like you haven't seen a lot of content from me, I'm posting it in both places. So check out that other channel, make sure you subscribe there, and you guys can see all those videos and all the build on the S2000, since I'm kind of trying to separate the two a little bit. So thanks for watching, see you on the next video.